Hello, my name is Brandan Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm going to answer a simple question that comes into our office quite often when someone is facing a criminal charge or they've been convicted of a criminal charge. And that's simply, when might I be tested for drug use during the pendency of this case or after my case is over? Now, the only times that you're going to be asked to take a drug test is really in two instances. One, while you're on bond facing the charge. In other words, while you've been released from jail, your case is pending, and the judge has ordered that you not use drugs. That entire time you're subject to drug testing to basically prove that you haven't violated the conditions of bond. That's the first instance in which you might be drug tested. The second instance when you might be drug tested is if you are convicted of a crime and you are placed on probation for that crime, and one of the conditions of your probation is that you not use illegal drugs. So the entire time that you're on probation, you can be asked to take a drug test. Now, this, like everything, has a lot of intricacies. Depending on the crime in which you've been charged with, you may never be facing a drug test. But depending on the jurisdiction in which you're in, you may never be facing a drug test. Depending on the sentence in which you receive, whether it's a supervised probation or an unsupervised probation, you may never have to take a drug test. What you're going to have to do is, when you're figuring out this case with your criminal defense lawyer, you're going to have to rely on their experience and say, when is the possibility that I'm going to get drug tested on this? Generally, most criminal defense lawyers that have experience in that jurisdiction can tell you, hey, this is what you're looking at. This is the likelihood that you're going to get drug tested on this case during the pendency of the case. This is the likelihood you're going to get tested based on what you were sentenced to, that you're going to get drug tested while on probation. If you have any questions about whether you're going to get drug tested, when you might get drug tested during the entire criminal defense process, if you have questions, feel free to contact my office for a free consultation.